Is your energy bill increasing for no apparent reason? Then your gas heater may be weary and due for an upgrade. Most gas ducted heaters usually have an average lifespan of 15 years, even with constant maintenance. After that, they start to perform below par and work harder to do the same job they have been doing effectively for years. And for you, that means using more gas and hiking up your energy bill. But replacing an old unit with a new one at the right time can save an average of $567 every year. Beyond costs, an old inefficient heating system can also affect your health. Old units can develop cracks in the heat exchanger inside your furnace, leading to harmful carbon monoxide leaks that can result in gas poisoning. With winter coming, it is best to ensure your heating system is running safely and efficiently. Join the growing number of those who trust Alliance Climate Control for their home or business heating needs. Replace your old heater system. Request a quote with us today